Stephen Chase with the Globe and Mail. Good morning, Prime Minister. At least 3 publicly traded Canadian companies, Canadian resource companies, have active projects and plans in China's Xinjiang region, where a large number of Muslims are locked up in concentration and labor camps. These are Canadian Solar Incorporated, Dynasty Gold Corporation, and Gobi Min Incorporated. Can you assure Canadians that these companies are not using forced labor and are not contributing to human rights abuses of Chinese Muslim minority? And has the government taken any steps to speak to these companies?
We have been increasingly concerned over the past many years on the treatment of the Uyghur minority in Western China. We have highlighted that many times directly, both in global multilateral forums and directly with the Chinese government in meetings and conversations that I've had over the past years with their leadership. Over the past number of days, we've announced further measures around restrictions on benefiting from labor used in the region that may be forced labor by the Uyghurs. We are working with Canadian companies, all Canadian companies, to ensure that they are not benefiting from or profiting from these human rights abuses. We will continue to work very, very closely and follow up with the companies you named and all companies who have investments in that area to ensure that they are following Canadian values and Canadian law.